Make sure safety glasses and ear protection are being worn. Always keep the gun directed away from yourself and others. Always keep your finger off the trigger until it is ready to shoot nails. Nails are only to be driven into projects. Do not waste any nails or break the clips apart. Check the condition of the tool. Check if the gun is oil-free or requires oil. Add 2 drops if needed. Set to single fire for nailing. Make sure the tool is loaded correctly with the proper fasteners. Turn on the compressor and check the air pressure of the regulator. Mark the work where fasteners are to be driven. Connect the tool to the air hose. Align it and secure work. Place the nail properly on the workpiece. Check the angle of the tool in relation to the workpiece. Grip the tool firmly and apply firm pressure to depress safety. Pull the trigger. Remove the nailer. Check if the nail is set correctly. Remove the air hose and store it properly.